Hi guys, it's Brutalizm. In the news, you can find when is your next mega lightning chest. When you click on find out, you're going to the page statsroyale.com. Here, first you have to accept. Here you have to introduce your stats. So you are going back to statsroyale. Click on X. Click on above. And here you can see that in my case it's R2PV 9CQQ. Click on search. Oops. So I update my profile because I haven't used it before. I missed here this part. So it's 9CQQ. So I missed the 9. So whenever you're copying, you can update your profile. And here you can check below your stats. Well, no. When do you expect your lightning chest? So in this case, it's like 143 chests you have to expect, and yeah. Here you can see your trophy progression. Thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe.